Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Bullseye Blower Cordless Handheld Leaf Blower review. So, Bullseye Blower is a cordless handheld leaf blower built around what the brand calls a jet burst turbocharged motor, spinning at up to 21,000 RPM. Now, it runs on a rechargeable 20-volt 300 mAh lithium battery and includes a free accessory kit with an extension tube for reaching tighter or higher spots like gutters, underdecks, or behind bushes without a ladder. Now, it's marketed for clearing leaves, grass clippings, light snow, dust, and general debris, as well as tasks like drying a car or cleaning a garage. Now, how to exactly use this blower here? Well, first you need to charge the battery fully before your first use and attach the included extension tube if extra reach is needed for the job. Now, you want to power on the blower and aim it at the debris or area being cleared using the extension tube attachment. Now, for gutters or hard to reach spots here, and also recharge as needed between uses. Now, as for the pricing, it's currently listed at around $99.99 or Canadian dollars for the blower with the free accessory kit included, with quantity discounts available for multi-unit orders. Like, comes with free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee. And the site states here that it can be returned if not satisfied within that window, and orders can also be placed by phone through the number listed on the site. Now, if you do have any questions, you could also call them or reach out to them via this number or through their contact us page here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.